Hello everybody, Dr. Collins Harrell here to show you the ScanBox Pro and open this up and you get to have a look at what your patients will be taking home when they sign up for dental monitoring. So we have this nice box, a nice sleeve that's got the progressive aligners as well as ScanBox Pro from Dental Monitoring on it. It's a nice feeling box. It's got a nice little magnetic closed lid. And when we open that up, what we have inside is a little patient user manual, but they're probably not going to use that. What they'll be doing is they'll be downloading the dental monitoring app onto their phone, and then they'll get an email from you, and they'll use their email link to log into their app, and everything will be done on this app on their phone. So what else comes in this box is a really nice carrying case, kind of a thick mesh nylon material, so that they can carry their ScanBox with them because they may want to be scanning, while they're not at home. So if they're traveling or going out for the day, they'll be able to do their scan when needed and stuff it in a backpack or a purse or something. So that's a nice bag. And then here's the actual phone support arm of the ScanBox Pro. And if we lift up the packaging, then you see there's two different sizes of cheek retractor tubes. And the patient's going to pick the one that is, the biggest one that will comfortably fit into their mouth to retract their cheeks. And then they're just going to snap that into the phone support. So this is really all that the ScanBox Pro is. It's just a cheek retracting tube that's been snapped into this phone support. And then there's two different buttons on here. One allows you to adjust in a vertical direction, and then the other one allows you to adjust the arm to be able to hold the phone. Okay. So basically what the patient's going to do is they'll open up their app, it'll guide them through it, but they're basically going to take the camera part of their phone and line it up in the scan tube and kind of get it to where that is centered. And then they can adjust that so it looks like it's centered. And then it's ready to go. Then literally all they do is just follow the instructions on the app and put this inside their mouth and follow the instructions to scan. So pretty simple to use. It'll be easy for your patients to use with a really good video that they can find on YouTube, plus really nice instructions in the app to be able to scan properly. And that's all that is in this box, just two tubes. For the best fit to their mouth, and then this phone support and the carrying bag. So we're really excited that you've chosen to use dental monitoring, and we know that this is going to be a great asset to your practice and really enhance your patient experience and hopefully really increase your profitability and efficiency in your orthodontic cases. Thanks for choosing dental monitoring and Progressive Orthodontics.